YouTube, listen. I'm about to do a service for everyone. I almost went out and bought a new washing machine with what little to no money I have, because today I tried to do laundry. It filled up. It wouldn't agitate or spin. I got so desperate I started taking things apart. I took out the agitator, as you can see. I popped off the front. And I tried everything. I even tried to reset it, where you unplug it for 2 minutes, plug it back in, and lift this up a series of times. Didn't work. So I wanted to check out the motor one last time before I just called it quits. And I noticed that when I turn it on, I hear humming, like a spinning. So I know the motor works. And it just got me to look one more time. And I noticed right here, this piece, I think they call it a clutch. I want to say it's a clutch. It was way worse than this. As you can see, there's that middle piece. Looks like a robot with one eyeball. He was spun all the way around. But if you look on the top of the clutch, there's a slot. And it's mirrored on its opposite side. I had to put a pair of pliers in there, hold it, and spin. I'm going to call it a clutch, because that's what I think it is, a clutch. Spin it around to try to line up these slots. So anyway, once I did that, I pushed it up, and for the most part, it went flush. And I noticed on the bottom, at the little brake, it has an area to kind of lock it in place. And I'm wondering, maybe from a heavy load of it rocking and dancing in the hallway, that it popped off and it dropped the pulley. So I went looking at the bottom. I tried to find something, see if there was like a cotter pin or something. And I found this tab. And sure enough, it done popped off, allowing this clutch to slide down. And it wouldn't work. But I spent like 45 minutes to an hour just reading, and no one had any solid advice. It came down to me almost buying a new washing machine. So I'm gonna fix this. I guess I'm gonna call it a pin or a tab, and slide it on there. We're back. Okay, so I got it connected. I got that pin in there. Everything spins. Everything's put together. Let's see if it works. I didn't put the agitator in yet, but let's see if it goes. Yeah, boy. Woo. That's what it was. Beautiful. Beautiful. So freaking beautiful. Alright. This works. There you go, folks. And then this front panel is pretty simple. At the very bottom, as you can see, there is, for the focus, latches. You just line it up with the latches and then push it in. As you can see right here, 1 and 2. That's as simple as taking it off. Just get a butter knife, stick it in there and push it. It'll pop it off. Push on that side, it'll pop it off, and then you can get up to the front. But oh shit, that makes me happy. Makes me happy. All right, let's do some laundry. Yeah.